promotes abortion? What if a candidate wants to destroy the God-ordained family? What if a candidate wants to indoctrinate our children with perverted sex education? Disarm its citizens. Open the borders to more terrorism. By answering no, you have confirmed that we have hope in America. We have hope. We have a future. We can restore freedom and prosperity in America if you only voluntarily return to those eternal principles of right, those laws given at Mount Sinai, and hold our representatives accountable, and limit their jurisdiction to the protection of our God-given rights. And I'll end with this quote of my favorite friend, D. James Kennedy. He said this, and don't forget it, people like you and me made America what it is. We can make America